Hi, I'm Norma Buchholz. I'm the executive chef up at Brooks Winery, and today I'm going to be making the perfect pairing for the month of August. It is a wild Pacific pan-fried razor clam with some haricot vert and a little bit of celery root puree, and it is paired with our 2018 Ara Riesling. So to start out, we're going to take our celery root. You're just going to want to cut the ends off, and then you're going to want to just use your knife and kind of peel away the sides like if you were going to segment an orange. You want to dice that up into about a small to a medium dice because we are going to boil it in some lightly salted water, just as if you were making mashed potatoes at home. And then when they come out, we're just going to put them in our blender, and all the water is completely taken off. And we're just gonna add those 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna take it over and start pureeing. And then we're gonna end up adding a little bit of lemon olive oil and sherry vinegar to it. So then we have the 2 butters here. Just gonna lightly let that go. We're gonna throw in that tablespoon of garlic. Just gonna let that cook a little bit. Meanwhile, this is the clarified butter, and it literally just looks like popcorn butter. But all of the milk solids are removed. We're just gonna do a thin layer of this on the bottom of a pan. That's about all we're gonna need. We'll turn that on to get warm. And then we're gonna add the green beans to this. And just a little pinch of salt. So the dredge is gonna be about the tablespoon each of salt and black pepper. Love black pepper. Just about a cup of flour. Mix that with your hands. We're just gonna toss those in. Yeah. There's a lot of folds on these, so. All right, now we're gonna go over to the stove. Just about 20 to 30 seconds per side. We're just gonna add a little bit of the celery root puree that we made here, and then you can put the tip of your spoon in and kind of drag it around. Take our green beans. I'm gonna add those to the base. And then we're just gonna take the razor clams and we're gonna put them right on top. We are going to take some fresh squeezed lemon juice for a little bit of here. We'll just go like that. And there you go. Pairing for the month of August. Yeah, my favorite part. It's really good. This might be this is one of my favorite perfect pairings. Come see us, have some amazing wine, and please come try this dish. It's very, very good. in the moment you've all been waiting for. Brace yourselves. That's a whip.